Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fabulously. This is going to be the hair tutorial version of the makeup that I'm wearing at the moment, so it's kind of like a two-part video. I'll link the makeup section down below for you. I'm just going to use hairspray, bobby pins, hair tie and a hairnet. So let's get started. Start off by giving your hair a good brush. I'm just going to section this piece out. If you want to be really particular, you can use a fine tooth comb. And you're just going to put a little doodle in your head. Get that. So with the rest of this, we are going to do a sleek bun. And just start off by spraying the shit out of your hair. I think this comb will be best, this brush, because it gets all the little pieces. And then spray it underneath your hair. And then the section in the middle at the back. So we're just pulling this into a ponytail. Now I'm just going to use this extra hold hairspray. I haven't even used a mirror, so I actually don't know what it looks like at the back. Maybe I should try and have a look through my phone. And that's why I get the mirror. Okay, so now we are going to completely tease the ponytail. And this is going to give us the volume for the bun. So you're just getting small sections. And then just repeat the process with the hairnet. Okay, so we've got the net around our ponytail, and now we're going to start pinning the bun into place. Okay, now that our bun is in place, we are going to start doing a little feature with the front of our hair. The front of our hair. So I never really know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I know that I want it to kind of be swirly and maybe give me a little bit of volume, but I think if you go into it with too much of a structured idea, it's so easy to go wrong. If you just go into it with an open mind and just let it be whatever it's going to be, it usually works out a lot better. So because I've got quite thin hair, I can't part my hair into too many sections, but just start by parting it off and giving yourself a rough idea of how many bits you're going to have. You can part them through to the front, or you can part them through to the side. I like to do a bit of both. So I can have roughly 4 bits of hair. If you just twist them, you can kind of see, you know, what playing around with them can do. So I know that that's going to look pretty cool. I think even 3 pieces will be nice. So I'm just going to go. I want this part to be the biggest, the front. So I think I'm just going to do that, get the front section out, and then split this into 2. Excellent. So let's start off by using this piece. Now it's best to use hair gel for this part, but I don't have any, so I'm just improvising with hairspray. Hairspray is fine as well. Okay, so you want to get your fine tooth comb and just give the roots a really good tease. And you want to spray it. And then brush it through. And see how we're giving ourselves a little bit of volume there? We're then going to pin that. Now whenever you put these pins in, you're putting them in and then pushing them towards the front of your hair. So pushing them this way. And then you want to get the next piece. And you just want these pieces to kind of almost be like wet with hairspray. So I'm just kind of doing whatever I feel like, circles, like waves, just pinning that in. Make sure you can't see the pins too much. If you see the pin, put the next piece of hair on top of it. I think I'm just going to leave that next piece flat. So at the moment it has that kind of effect. If you want to take a tiny bit of eyelash glue, you can place it just under the tail of this piece of hair, so where that finishes here. But I'm going to set it all with a hairdryer and hairspray, so that's going to work really well. So now you can get your next piece. So you see how I just push that piece of hair forward so it's a clean swoop. I'm going to slightly twist this part. Can't really see what I'm doing. Just going to do another loop. I think you can see that there. And if you have light pieces, and if you have like foils through your hair, make sure that you're using the lighter bobby pins on the lighter parts of your foils and the darker bobby pins on the darker part of your hair. Duh. I'm just going to leave that bit at the end until after. And just pick up all the little flyaways around your hairline and just add them into this section. And give it a bit of a twist. And if you want to see a gap, you can push it up a bit more. Pull it down a touch. I think it looks good about there. And just give everything a really good spray to secure it. Okay, now we're going to turn the hairdryer on and we're going to use this tiny little comb and we're going to set the hairspray, and it kind of forms into like a glue-like form, so even when you're flicking your head really sharp, it's all going to stay in place. And now any little flyaways that you may see. And then just once more around this area. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching my ballroom dancing hair tutorial. I will give you one more quick look around. And as you can see, it stays really still. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please leave any questions or comments down in the box below. As you can see, it is a little bit hard when you've kind of got the balayage through your hair. So if you're all one colour, it makes it a lot easier. But in saying that, the balayage makes it stand out a lot more. Yeah, it's kind of up to you how you want to do it. Yeah, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just have a bit of a play around and put things in place and then pin it, and it's all about practice. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you want more of these videos. If you want a video with a really high bun, if you like that kind of style, give it a thumbs up and comment so I know to do one of those ones. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye! I forgot to put my earrings in. These definitely finish off the look. So I've got these two random diamantes as well, so it could look really cool if you just glued them kind of in the middle here. Whoa. I'll go and grab some glue and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so all you need is tweezers and some eyelash glue. Pop the eyelash glue onto your hand. This is a waterproof one as well, so even if you sweat, it will not come off. And now you want to get the hairdryer onto it just to dry the glue a touch. And then make sure you pop them on the center. I think that's the center, I can't really see. Ooh. Yeah, that's more like the center. Now we're going to do the other one. So there we go guys, this is my finished ballroom dancing look. I hope you enjoyed my little tips and tricks, and good luck with your competition. I'll see you next time. Bye! I'm filming.
You filming, babe?
Yeah.
Look pretty.
Thank you.
Alright, babe.
Doing ballroom dancing.
Yeah. I can tell you don't usually dress like that. You don't do makeup like that normally.
Not for a Sunday.
No. Not just for a Sunday, Barbie.
And not for the barbecue.
Nora, gorgeous.
Love you.
I'll see you. I love you too. I'll see you when you come here.
Okay. So I'll show you what it's looking like at the back. Don't watch me.
Nah. I thought you were talking to me, but you're talking to the YouTubers.